The day that I can just pick it up and I'm only using the weight of the rope. The day that I can get him to back up, and the day that I can ask him to go forward and stop on 2 fingers, then I can start going more and more with my rope halter.
So you've got the come-along hitch, come-along rope, and then you've got rope halter. At what point do you move from using the come-along rope to using the rope halter?
Okay, excellent question. Again, the softness. My hand is always holding the rope like this, and then my fingers play the tune. The day that I can just barely with 2 fingers ask that mule to stop. The day I can take and move to the right and to the left with 2 fingers. The day that I can just pick it up and I'm only using the weight of the rope. The day that I can get him to back up, and the day that I can ask him to go forward and stop on 2 fingers, then I can start going more and more with my rope halter. But understand, I use a combination of the come-along hitch and rope halter in the very beginning. So when the mule makes a mistake, I can bump the come-along hitch, but if he keeps responding to the rope halter, I don't touch the come-along rope, you know. So it's really, really important, folks, that you remember, too, you build a foundation over a 6-month time frame, especially when you have a problem mule, a spoiled mule, and this sort of thing. They've already been doing it for several years. You ain't going to fix it in a few hours. Your trainer is only he'll make it look good, by golly, make it look good, but you got 6 months of keeping that foundational training going, you know. So does that help you out, Dave?
Yeah, that makes sense. I was thinking about it because, we were talking about putting one of those kits together, make it a little bit easier for folks to get the tools that they need in the beginning. And I was thinking, well, if we're going to put a rope halter in there and we're going to put a come-along rope in there, when would they switch from one to the other?